Greetings to you in the name of Jesus Christ. I am standing here at the site where our church is under construction. Construction is going on. It's in Hassanabdal. The name of the church is Mary, Mother of God. And so far we have, you can see here, we started when after the Grafton church here also, you can see the foundation and then these beams all over, and the walls are raised and all these columns are coming up, and from here 4 feet a little more will go, and then the ceiling, the roof will start. So I invite all of you to pray for this project as well, and also send your offerings, share with us. Let's build the church, let's give. And the Lord has blessed us with many, many blessings. Let's bring Jesus Christ in our lives when we give. It is our spirit rejoices, and it is in this, the joy for our souls, the joy for our spirits. And like the house of God, many, many people join their efforts and they build the house of God. I invite you also. Give your offerings, send your offerings for us so that we may be able to complete this project, this church.